I'm Jessica Minton for IPO Times TV, reporting on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange today. It's a very exciting day. Twitter is just releasing their IPO on the floor. They chose the New York Stock Exchange over the NASDAQ, which is a big deal. This is probably the most highly anticipated IPO since Facebook in May 2012, but the stock probably will not begin trading until about maybe 10 to 10:30 because of the amount of volume coming in. It's such an exciting day with this IPO. What exactly is an IPO like for those who maybe not understand what happens here on the floor of the stock exchange?
Well, I think first thing you have to understand is that what we really do here and what is our expertise is the way in which we discover price and getting the accurate price for the customer. The designated market maker is the human being at the point of sale, which is something that differentiates us from the other markets. We have human beings, not only the designated market maker, but we have brokers in the crowd that can take the information and disseminate it as it is changing. So that makes our market a little bit more proactive rather than reactive. We're able to help create the price that's the proper price for the customer. So to that end, our pricing mechanism, I think, is my opinion, obviously, is the best way to do things that there is. It's a perfect combination of the best technology that we possibly could find and human beings. And with that combination, we usually end up at a pretty good price for the public.
Right now, Twitter is listed at $26 per share. The bell already rang at 9:30, but we are getting closer to 10 o'clock. Why is it that IPOs like this don't start trading at the bell? They start trading about 30 minutes, maybe even an hour later.
Well, the price that they're showing on the screen as the last sale now is the initial public offering price. That was priced upstairs off the floor. That's the price that they came to when they did their price discovery upstairs. When we come downstairs, there's a chance for the entire public to get involved with the stock. And then you see it's really pricing is a matter of supply and demand. We don't pick the price. The public picks the price. They pick the price at which they want to buy and which they want to sell. So that takes some time to get together. Orders come in electronically through the computers by the millions, into the handhelds of all of the brokers by the millions, and we need to sort all those prices out. Computers, well, we used to do it by hand. Computers make it a little bit more easy for us to do, and we can do it a little bit faster, but the numbers are also much bigger than they ever were before. They're in the millions. So we have to get all that together and make sure that we are at the right place and that at the price that the public wants to purchase and sell at so that we can get that stock open accurately.
Now, what exactly are the advantages of having your stock listed on the New York Stock Exchange?
Well, I think there are many advantages, but I think, as a media platform, obviously, we are very high visibility. And having people on the floor will allow us to bring our customers to your stock. So a lot of times the stockholders, large stockholders that come and visit the people on the floor and come and see the exchange have the opportunity to actually interface with the market maker in the company that they're interested in. So that's a huge advantage. But I think one of the biggest confidence builders for investors is the fact that we have people here at the point of sale. It's not just about the opening of the stock, it's about the continuing trading of the stock. If at any point in time an investor is interested in knowing why a stock is going up or down or any information on the stock to help them feel comfortable about their investment, they can call the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, speak to a broker, speak to somebody at the help desk, speak directly to the market maker, or through their representative can speak to the market maker. So I think that it's a very different way of doing business than a purely electronic exchange. And the human factor, listen, face it, we all like to talk to each other when we have things that we need to know. So in a world of voicemail, I think we offer a different dimension.
Well, Doreen, it's so great to have your insight, especially with this Twitter IPO. That's Doreen Mogavero, and I'm Jessica Minton for IPO Times TV.